Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So in this playlist, we will solve our next question, that is remove all adjacent duplicates in string. And this is an easy level question. The previous question I have skipped because why? Because that is a very easy question, and that is the square of a list in which you have to just square it and you have to just sort it and you have to return it. So that is very easy, and we will solve this question. In this, it is given that you have a string s containing of lowercase English alphabet letter. Remove all the duplicates, not all the duplicates, remove two adjacent duplicates and equal letters, that is equal and adjacent. We repeatedly make duplicate removal on s until we no longer can. Return the final string after all such duplicates removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. Okay, so we have answer, and in this, if you can take, so in this, if you remove bb, then it will become a ca, and a are two numbers that are adjacent sorry, and duplicates, so we have to remove it. So only we left with c and a. In this, we have a z, so if we remove this, then we will remove z and z, then it will become a and z. So we have to remove the adjacent value, and that is equal as well, that are equal as well. So we will do with the help of stack. So it's a easy level question, so let's do it. So we will make a stack, then we will go one by one, then we will loop through the s, and I have to append the first value. Let's assume that we have this one. So what we will do, we will appending everything in stack, and we will check the correct value of s, because first stack have a, and I will loop through from 1, because why? Because I have to go from here, because this is already pushed into the stack, and we will check the current value, that is b, because it is 1, so index is 1. So b, whether b is equals to a stack of -1, this is stack. So what is -1? Minus 1, just the previous value, and the previous value is b. If we have this, so the previous value is this, because it stack -1 means it take the last value which is present in the list. So we will take a is equals to b. If it is not the case, means a we have inserted, now we have to insert b, so it will become b, means we have to append the current value, that is s of I. Okay, if it is not the case, just assume that I have inserted b. Now when I will come to c, so when I will come, I have inserted, now I will come to b. I will check that whether s of I is b, the previous value is b, these two are equals, so we have to just pop out. Because why? Because we have found the two adjacent value, one is this and one is this, but we haven't inserted this b, so we have to remove this b, so that I can ensure that I do not have any duplicates. So for that, what I have to do, stack dot pop, yeah, so we have to do, that is, and we have to return the string. So for that, I will use a function join, that will join all the values which are present in the stack. And maybe it is a case that when I will come to b, and when I will insert c, when I will come to a, then you will see that whether this a is equals to the value in the stack. Yes, this is equal, so we have to pop it out from here. Now we will come here, and I will come to c. Now we will check that s of I, that is c, stack -1, but there is no element are present, so this will give the index bound, because we do not have any element and we are trying to fetch the last element. So for that, what I have to do, I have to ensure that if our stack if our stack does not equals to length, does not equals to empty list. If it is not the case, then proceed. So pop from an empty string. So if it is equal, if it is equal, if it is equal, then I have to pop. If it is not equal, then I have to append. Sorry, I have teach you right, but I have taught you right, but I have implemented in a wrong way. So we have to pop out when it has a element, otherwise we have to append it. Let's submit it. So it has been accepted as well, you can see. So or you can, or what you can do, instead of taking the list, you can take as a string. You can take the without duplicate. You can take without duplicate. You can take, this is the string value. Now what you have to do, no, you cannot do this. Because why? Because in stack we have a simply pop function. In string we have to use the some other function, so it is easy. I hope you have understood, guys. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Bye bye guys, take care. I will meet in the next video. Bye bye guys, take care.